Today, I want to teach you how to donut boy, because it's April Fool's Day, and my ankle got destroyed by a shopping cart earlier this week. And yeah, interest rates are going up and projected to continue to go up, and yeah. Meow. So the donut boy is not rocket science. To do the donut boy, we're gonna start at an eagle, we're gonna swing up, and then once we get off the ground, we're going to try and hit this position and rotate in the air. If we do one, it's a single donut boy. If we do two, it's a double donut boy. If we hyperhook it, it's a donut boy hyperhook. Donut boy is literally eagle, swing, pike upside down, spin, land. Genuinely, it's not a crazy difficult trick. It's kind of goofy. It is usually used to help teach people the swing. There's like a hidden curriculum in all of tricks, and a hidden curriculum in like most of mastering tricking and the books and all of the things that I do. It is to teach progression in a way that makes sense. The donut boy is a great way to learn swing. It's a good way to learn how to pivot one's axis. It's a cool trick. Let's donut boy. That was a bad one. That was a bad one. My ankle does not feel good. But doing light tricks like the donut boy is how we recover and get back to the bigger tricks. Eagle, donut boy. Donut boy. Ugh. All right, now let's do different setups for donut boy and different ways to get into the donut boy. That was handstand donut boy. My favorite way to donut boy is actually a scoot donut boy. That is definitely my favorite and feels the easiest. Scoot boy. So everybody has a different like version of tricking in their head. My version of tricking doesn't take itself too seriously. And I think that silly tricks like the donut boy actually go a long way in getting us better at tricking. I really believe that. I believe that if we train donut boy, our double cork will improve a little bit in some magical, mysterious way. Tornado kick, donut boy. I can do that better. I can do that so much better. Tornado kick, donut boy. What am I doing? Touchdown rise, donut boy. That felt amazing. Ooh wee. I don't know what I'm doing. Master scoot, donut boy hyper hook. Ugh. I don't think I'm hitting the D-leg shape or the donut shape enough. Be the donut. Be the donut. What the deuce? Am I doing what I think I'm doing? I don't even know. It looks so goofy. Tornado kick, hook, scoot, donut boy. Oh, now I want to hyper hook everything. Nah, that's goofy. That's goofy. Ah, I'm not good at double donut boy. That's all I got for donut boy. I think you can donut boy. I think donut boy is a valuable trick. I think especially on April Fool's Day, one should learn donut boy. Tricking should not take itself too seriously. That said, I wrote a book on tricking, how to get good at tricking. And I really believe that it is a great tool for people who want to excel at this sport or just do it recreationally for fun. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck doing donut boy. I am now going to go back to the Cat Cafe and get Cat Cafe and get these meows ready for the incoming economic change happening to the world.